said who that is? All things MoElle's.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Mo of All Things MoElle's. Welcome to my channel. So we are moving right along with our favorite series where I'm talking about all of my current holy grail go-to products, not just hair, anything beauty related, okay? But we are talking about some hair treatments today. So when I say hair treatment, these are things that I use when I need a little something more, like a little more than what a deep condition or a regular condition would do. As usual, I will have all of them linked below. If you've been shopping my links, first of all, shout out to you. That is an amazing way to support me and my content. All of the products that I'm going to talk about today, with the exception of one, I purchased with my own money. So I'm not just going to be on here pushing products just for y'all to buy it. Like, these are tried and true products that I truly believe in and just had to share with the people. Okay. So let's go ahead and start off with one that I have talked about several times on my channel, but the brand is Olaplex, and this is their #3 hair perfector that repairs and strengthens all hair types. So honestly, I don't know what else to say about this. Like, if you've watched my content, you know how I feel about this stuff. I think this stuff is amazing. It is literally magic in a bottle. I love to use this when I have been wearing my hair straightened, pressed out, when I've been doing a lot of heat styling. This just brings my hair back every time. I actually used it today before going in and doing this style. And I mean, look at my hair. Like, just look at it. It speaks for itself. Like, to me, Olaplex and hair health just go together. Like I said before, if you've been rocking with me, you know that hair health and hair restoration has really been a priority for me the last year or so, because I went through a setback with my hair. I have to thank Olaplex for like really helping get my hair back to kind of what I'm used to it being. I actually recorded an updated video on how I use this now, so stay tuned. That video is going to come out after I'm done with this entire favorite series, because I have made some changes in how I use it in my routine. She is bomb. She is that girl. Shout out to Olaplex. The next product that I want to talk about is very similar to Olaplex. I don't have any more right now, so I'm just going to show a picture of it. It comes from CurlSmith, and it is their Bond Curl Rehab Salve. So like I said, very similar to the Olaplex in that it is a bond repairing product. For me, that product just works better on my curls. For one, it has more slip in my opinion than the Olaplex does, so I tend to gravitate towards the Olaplex when I have straight hair, and I use the CurlSmith when I have curly hair, but they essentially do the same thing. Sometimes when I wear excessive wash and goes, that can cause my hair to be in a little bit of distress because I do have fine curls. So when I need to bring my curls back to life, that is one of the products that I really love to go for. I haven't worn my hair curly in a while in a wash and go, but I do plan on going back to curly styles once the cold weather goes away. So that is one that I'm definitely going to make sure that I go to Ulta and pick up, because I need it when I'm wearing my curls. I need that product. It is amazing. Another product that I'm going to go for when I feel like my curls are just limp and lifeless and need to be brought back to life is honestly a staple. It's an OG. I'm sure everybody has heard of this product or used it before, and it is the Aztec Indian Healing Clay. Good old bentonite clay mixed with some apple cider vinegar is guaranteed to revive the most limp and lifeless curls. I also like to use this product whenever I'm wearing a lot of wash and goes, because with wash and goes, that's a lot of product that is in my hair, and so the clay just really helps to get all that product off. Some people use this on their skin. I've never ventured into doing like a clay mask with this, but as far as my hair is concerned, yes, I am going to always have some bentonite clay in my collection, because it just gets the job done every single time. It's easier to find now than it used to be back in the day, and I really do appreciate that, because it's just that good, and I need to be able to access it when I need it, okay? Since I just talked about the clay, I think now is a good time to talk about this next product. It actually comes from Soultanicals, and this is their natural hair Ayurvedic superfoods. It's the ultimate botanical healthy hair treatment blend. What I really like about this is simply the ingredients. So if you know anything about Ayurvedic herbs, they are really good for not only hair health but also hair growth. So some of the herbs that are in here are amla, neem, ashwagandha, brahmi, fenugreek, moringa, moringa, ginger, but it's good for strengthening, for sheen, for growth, for thickening your hair, for scalp health, for fortifying your hair, and for nourishing the hair. And I just have to say yes to all of these things. It's literally in powder form. You can add it to really any product, but I prefer to use it as a pre-poo, add it to some of my favorite oils, and do like a hot oil treatment with it. And when I tell you, my hair just, I can always tell the difference when I have used this in my pre-poo versus just doing a regular pre-poo, because the hair just be thanking me. Like, it looks better, it looks healthier just after using this one time. It feels nice. And then, like I said, using this consistently, you are going to see some of those amazing benefits that you get from an Ayurvedic treatment. I absolutely love this stuff. So Botanicals, please never stop making this. I like that it's all together in this one convenient little jar versus me having to buy a whole bunch of different herbs from different places or wherever. Like, this is just more convenient for me, and I just scoop it out and add it to the oil when I'm doing my pre-poo. So it works well for me and my hair care regimen. So love this stuff. Since we're talking about pre-poos, I have two more that I want to share with you guys. The first one, I don't have any more of it right now, but I've talked about this product plenty of times on my channel. It comes from Nature's Little Secret, and it is their fenugreek pre-poo. Love that stuff down, especially when I am coming out of a curly style and going into wash day. The slip is amazing. It really helps me to get in there, get those tangles and those knots out before going in with the shampoo. And it has amazing ingredients. It just hits every single time. That's why I'm usually out of it, because as soon as I get some, I quickly use it up. It's amazing, and honestly, it's one of my favorite pre-poos that I have ever tried. Let me make a note right now to go ahead and put me another Nature's Little Secret order in, because I need it. Another pre-poo that I really enjoy using comes from Negus Banda, and this is their Shebe pre-poo treatment. So this is a thicker pre-poo. It doesn't have like that typical like jelly aloe type consistency that a lot of pre-poos have. I enjoy a lot of those pre-poos, but this one still has a decent amount of slip for it to be as thick as it is, and it has amazing ingredients. Of course, it has Shebe in there. But yeah, every time I use this pre-poo, my hair just feels like it's getting an extra treat. Like, it always feels so soft and looks so shiny whenever I use this. It coats the hair strand really well, so it is good to use for days that you are going to clarify if you are somebody who does not like the feeling of a clarifying shampoo. We know we need it, but sometimes we don't like how it feels. I don't really use this when I'm wearing straight hair because it is so thick and heavy. I primarily use this when I'm wearing my hair curly or wearing a natural style. Honestly, I love all of the Negus Banda pre-poos that I have tried. This one though, I just keep coming back to it. It's one of my favorites, so you should try this out if you have not. The next product that I want to talk about is a fairly new favorite. I think I tried this for the first time back in October, and when I tell you, it instantly became a favorite because of how it performed. And it comes from Amika. We haven't talked about a lot of Amika on this channel, but stay tuned because I got a lot of things to say about this brand. This is their Smooth Over Frizz Fighting Treatment. Now, if you caught my favorites, I can't remember if it was last year, as in 2023. I want to say it was in 2023. I talked about the Color Wow Dream Coat and how I liked using that product to kind of help with frizz and humidity whenever I'm wearing my straight hair. This has replaced that one in my arsenal. I love this one so much. The thing that I love about this is that, first of all, it doesn't take a lot of this. Like, you really only need a little bit of this, and you don't even have to put it like from root to tip. You really only want to do like mid shaft of the hair and down so that your hair isn't way down when you do heat style. So a little bit of this goes a long way, and you don't have to leave it in for that long. You're supposed to wash and condition your hair, then go in with this, leave it on for like a minute or two, and then go ahead and rinse it out. I have pressed my hair with this product and I have pressed it without this product just to see if I could notice a difference in the amount of frizz that I get, as well as the longevity of my press. And I notice the difference every single time when I don't use this. My hair lasts longer when I use this. And I live in Georgia, so even though it's super cold right now, when I first started using this, it was not super cold and it was still very humid outside. So this stuff works. So if you are looking for a product to help prolong your silk press. And if you have fine hair like me especially, then you know the struggle of wearing silk presses and keeping the frizz and humidity away. This product has been a godsend. I love this so much. Highly recommend it. The next product that I'm going to talk about, I've discussed several times on my channel. It is still a holy girl product. It's going to forever be a holy girl product. It comes from Kenra, and this is their blow dry spray advanced dry thermal protectant. I'm going to always go in with this whenever I'm going to blow dry my hair. It is the best spray heat protectant that I think I have ever used. I obviously don't have heat damage, and I have been heat styling my hair pretty regularly. You don't need a whole lot of this. I usually put my hair into 4 sections when I'm about to blow dry, and I'll take like 2 sprays in my hand and then apply it to the section, just rub it through the section, and then I go in and blow dry. If you're going to silk press your hair, you don't want to put a lot of this on because you won't, you know, bouncy, flowy results like this. So that's another reason why I don't spray it directly on my hair. I spray it in my hands first. She's a forever fave. I hope that they never do anything to this. I hope that they continue to make it forever because I'm going to be repurchasing it forever. Love it. Another recent favorite also comes from Amika, and this is their Blockade Heat Defense Serum. So I apply this when I'm doing my hair like this. I'll put the Kenra blow dry spray on and then blow dry my hair. And then when I'm getting ready to go in and flat iron, I will apply this to my entire head. I don't like apply it section by section. You don't want too much of this. You don't want your hair to be weighed down. But when I tell you this is probably the best heat protectant I think I've ever used, and I'm not exaggerating. All of Amika's products that I've tried, all of them smell really good, and I have really been trying a lot of them lately. Since it's a serum, it not only protects your hair against the heat, but it also gives it like a nice sheen, nice little shine to it. A little bit of this goes a long way as well, and I can't say enough good things about it. If you are in the market for a good heat protectant, try this one. She's bomb. She is bomb. So here we are at the end of another video. That's all that I have as far as my current favorite hair treatments. I'm interested in knowing, did any of your faves make the list? Did you see some things that you want to try? Is there something that you want to put the people on? If so, let us know in the comments. We like to help the people out over here in the MoElle's community. But that's all I got for today. Stay tuned for day 8. We almost done, y'all. I'll see you then. Bye.
No, I'm still going, yeah. Who that is?
All things MoElle's.
I said, who that is?
All things MoElle's.
Man, who that is?
All things MoElle's.
Okay, who that is?
All things MoElle's.